Hello and welcome to Gold Classes. And we are on a trip, and we are at Sarnath Temple here. And I am, meeting with a couple of people, and they are from other country, and they are not from India. So it is really a good thing for us that I am very happy you both have permitted me to go ahead with this video show. And firstly, I want to know what's your name. Which country are you from?
Thank you. My name is Daniel Tejes, and I'm from Colombia.
Yeah, Colombia. Yeah, I have heard the name of this country. It's a very nice city and country. I know. Yeah, so I want to know actually what is good here at this particular place. You are looking and moving the here and there, and you are finding something new. It looks like. So, do you feel something is good here in India?
Yes, a lot of things are good here in India. This
Yeah.
temple and all the temples
Yeah,
that I've been like visiting this time in on my vacations.
yeah,
It's really, as you said, incredible. India is an incredible experience here.
yeah.
And in my case, I'm looking for an spiritual experience and knowing more about the Hinduism. I'm like integrating a lot of things and a lot of gods inside of me and inside of in my life.
Yeah, good. Oh, that's amazing. So I'm very happy and quite impressed with your humble nature actually. So I want to know in what way a beginner. Actually, I teach a lot of students and I want to teach them how to speak English and how to communicate in this language in particular. So what may be the key tips and tricks you want to give for a beginner to learn English as a foreign language? Actually, here in India, most of the people speak Hindi. So you are also coming from another country and you are speaking in English. So I want some suggestions for my beginners and learners in what way they can do this.
I love your question, teacher,
Yeah,
because sometimes when we are gonna practice the English, we are like feeling shy.
yeah, yeah,
And the advice that I can give to the beginners and
Yeah.
the students is the only way to improve your English is practicing.
yeah. Practice.
And don't worry if you made mistakes. It is normal.
Yeah,
It is part of the way. The most important thing is to feel brave, to practice, to get more vocabulary, more words. Step by step, you are gonna get more tools to express yourself in English.
yeah, sure. So I have one more person. Actually, I'm very happy to have you here actually with me, and I want to talk a little bit with you as well. And if you can't go ahead in English, so please go ahead and in your mother tongue. I want to give your introduction. Please give your introduction, and in Spanish, it feels like it is easy. Please go ahead and tell my viewers what exactly is about you.
Hola, mi nombre es Sebastián y speak in Spanish. My name is Sebastian. Very happy. Estoy muy feliz de estar en India,
Yeah.
un país encantador, encantation country.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, do you feel Varanasi? It's a very spiritual kind of city, as our he has said earlier, a little bit earlier. Like I want a spiritual experience here. That's why he is here. Both of you are here. Okay. So, do you feel spiritual experience is good here after joining this place and coming over here?
Good experience.
Yeah.
I submerged in real Ganges.
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to say something, teacher, and it's for the complete sentence for
Yeah,
the
yeah.
beginners and the students.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's like be like Sebas.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if it's not the correct sentence.
Yeah. Right.
The first step to start to get experience is trying, knowing. Maybe the first time is not the best time.
Yeah.
But when you are speaking and hearing all people like speaking English and practicing with other students,
Yeah.
I'm sure that you are gonna get more tools to express yourself in English
Yeah.
better.
All right. And I think as far as I have noticed, you have suggested three things like students should keep in mind they should practice it. And the second thing you told us is they should not be afraid of their mistakes they are making while speaking. They should practice it even if they are committing errors while speaking. And these are the things they should go for it. That's what you want to say. And one more question, it may be the last but not the least, right? So I want to know actually for how many days you are here in India, and for which particular, actually what are the places you want to visit in this series of tour actually?
Okay, I think like 15
Yeah.
days. I went to Delhi, of course, Pushkar, Jaipur,
Yeah.
Khajuraho, Varanasi,
Yeah.
and tomorrow we are gonna travel to Riki. What's the name?
Rishikesh.
Rishikesh, yeah.
Rishikesh, the capital of yoga. A lot of temples. I forget
Yeah.
all the names. But it was
I'm
amazing.
super excited to know that you coming from Colombia as a country, you still have a great interest in spiritual places and experience as well. So I have met with you and a person like you for the first time who has a great interest in spiritual experience. That's why. So I'm very happy to have conversation with you, and it was really a nice pleasure, and it was my pleasure talking to you. Thanks
Thank you.
for meeting us and giving us your precious time. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.